Police reviewing Panama Papers to see if Jamaicans are involved in financial wrongdoing. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, new revelation that the daughters of a former minister were appointed to senior government positions while he was in office.
Police investigating equipment of guns and ammunition found at Kingston Sport.
Controversy over the death of an 8-year-old girl after teacher's punishment.
And in the business day, gas prices to fall this week.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. Do you think our laws to protect children are effective? Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
News feedback is brought to you by
McVitie's Digestive